Let's move in to stabilizing our sacroiliac joint by strengthening our hip muscles. So take that pillow or the towel that you had and move it out of the way. And we're going to lie on your side. And I want you, if you have something, you can pull it up and put it behind your lower back. So this works good off the edge of a couch, and for some of it, you can actually do it up against the wall. I'm going to use a foam roller today to show you a way that you can test yourself and make sure that your lower back is nice and stable. So it is a bit tricky to get into. You're going to take this wonderful roller and you're going to snuggle it, hopefully, right up against your lower back. You'll have a neutral spine. Now, if you start to go backwards, this roller is going to fall back. So it'll be a good indicator for you if you start to overuse your hip flexors and you start wobbling your hips around. Let's see if this is going to stay for me. All right, so your neutral spine, our waist is lifted, and our legs are up about 90 degrees. Only bring your legs as high as you can keep your lower back in neutral. We're going to do 5 of everything. Remember, you can slowly build up to 10 of everything. Today, we're going to do it all on one side, so that's a bit more of a challenge than we did last time. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Lift the top leg. Press that bottom leg down to stabilize the sacroiliac joint on the bottom side. Inhale, lower. Again, exhale. Press the bottom leg down. And lower. Exhale. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. One more. Exhale, lift. Now stay there. Inhale. Exhale, hollow the abs and press that leg back. Inhale, bring it forward. Again, exhale, press that leg back. Scoop the abs up and in and bring it forward. Exhale, press the leg back and bring it forward. 2 more. Inhale. 1 more. Inhale. All right, let's carefully lower that down. You're going to bring your heels back in line with your tush, so it would be like up against the wall if you were at the wall. Make sure this hip hasn't started moving around too much. And now you're going to just open the knee. Only keep that knee open as high as you can without rocking back and hitting into your roller. And then lower down. Remember to press the bottom leg down as you do this. Inhale to lower. Exhale, open that knee. Keep your feet together. Inhale to lower. Let's do 2 more. Exhale. Open that knee and bring it down. Last one. Exhale. Open that knee and bring it down. Excellent. All right. Grab your roller. Carefully come up. And we're going to try to go to the other side here. All right. You're going to lie onto your side here. And then if you can, take this roller up again towards the lower back and try to stabilize it. And you're going to get it as close as you can. Again, this is nice to do up against a wall. So you can do it up against a wall or at the edge of the couch. That's another great place to do it. Here we go. Waist is up, head is out. You can put your hand on your hip or just leave it down in front. Inhale, exhale, press down and lift the leg. And inhale, lower. Exhale. Inhale, lower. Exhale. Inhale, lower. Exhale. One more like this. Great, now you're going to stay here. Inhale, exhale, squeeze the glutes and hamstrings, press it back, back, back. Keep those abs in. And inhale, bring it forward. Waist is still up. Exhale, pull the abs up as you bring that leg back. Is your waist lifted? And bring it forward. Exhale. Press it back, 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 and bring it forward. 2 more, please. Inhale. 1 more. Inhale. Let's lower that leg. Bring the heels back in line with your tush or up against the wall if you're at the wall. Inhale, exhale, open the knees. Do not let this hip rock back. And inhale, bring it down. Exhale. Inhale, bring it down. Exhale, open. Only as far as you can keep this hip still. Inhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, down. 1 more. Inhale, down. Fantastic. All right, let's carefully bring ourselves up to seated. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited. Get Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. For a limited time, we are offering a special early bird discount at less than 17 cents a day. And you can lock in your rate forever. We'll keep adding new lessons. At Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, you can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Roku, Apple TV, Android, select smart TVs, iOS, Amazon Fire Stick, the web, and more. Anywhere the Vimeo app is supported. The next best thing to taking lessons with me. Plus, this is a great way to help support the channel and help keep us making great content. Upside Down Pilates Unlimited, everywhere, anytime, commercial-free, affordable. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.